Welcome to Behind the Trigger, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the extractor real quick on the Advantage Arms 22 conversion for the Glock. So basically, you're gonna need a punch, hammer. Actually, I got two punch. I got a short punch, a long punch of the same size. It's very simple. I always take the firing pin out just in case, because on the factory Glocks, you have to do so before you can get the extractor out. I don't know how this one is, but I took it out anyways. It's something easy to do. Very easy to remove the extractor. We're going to take this short punch. I got two punches the same size. One's a short one, this is a short one, one's a long one. I'm going to use the short one right now, and we're just going to drive the pin out, roll pin out. Wait till you feel it. Then I'm going to put the pin over the hole in the bench block. Pull that out. I'm going to take the longer one, stick it in there, and I'm going to not fully drive the pin out, but just enough that I can release that extractor. A little bit more. Should be right about that. Okay. Oh, a little bit more. It's still barely in there. Alright, just a little bit more. Oh, that definitely knocked it out. Okay, that is fine. So right now, the pin is holding the extractor in. I'm going to put my finger right here because the spring's right there in that little divot and you don't want it to go flying. Pull it out. And then we can pull it out and clean it. There's a little spring right there, and that just makes sure the extractor is facing the right direction. While we're here, might as well show you, once you take the extractor out, you can remove the sear safety. So this right here allows the firing pin to be dropped. So we're going to put that back in. I already cleaned it up. We're going to put that back in. Push it down, grab our little extractor, and we're just gonna put it in place. Push that in. You do have to push this down because the extractor actually holds this in place. Give myself a little bit of room on the punch here, and I'm going to stick the roll pin back in and make sure that I'm not bottoming out on the roll pin on the punch right now. I'm just using my finger to kind of hold it up. What I want to do is try to get that roll pin to the point it's holding the extractor, and we're there. So it's in the extractor, it's holding place where it should. Now I'm just going to finish driving that pin in. Grab my little shorty punch. And we're just going to tap that roll pin in until it's flush with the groove of the slide. And it looks nice and flush. We're going to run our finger down it just to make sure. Looks good. That's working like it should. That's working like it should. Put my firing pin back in. It's easy. Push that in, let it go further. Take our cap, get our cap started, and just take it, stick it, and lock it. Till next time.